Hi everybody, my name is Karen.
And I'm Jay.
We're with the Thrifty Flamingo. We're giving you a really brief video and we are going over the items that we are putting into the mystery box that one of you guys won last week.
We have their address. We're getting ready to ship it out tomorrow.
Yep, it's on its way. So we're going to show you what's actually in the box. There's a couple of items that you guys can sell. Now, if we talk a lot about Poshmark and reselling, if you're interested in this content, we would really appreciate if you subscribe to our channel. If you're returning, thank you. Welcome back. Always glad to have you back.
Now, we've been talking a lot about this lately, but we have just finished recording all the videos for our course, and we're getting ready to upload it and go live. And what we actually have done is we put together a 6-part free workshop on the ins and outs of Poshmark and how to take your game to the next level. So if you're interested in getting that free workshop before our course launches, be sure to click on the first link in the description below and get on our email list. We're going to be sending that course out to everybody on the email list, video after video. It's a 6-part course, and you're going to get that content for free. So if you're interested in that, get on our email list, and we'll see you out there.
Yeah, our good friend Steve Raiken, he followed us around our house with a video camera and just kind of recorded everything.
A lot of great content.
Yeah, we broke it up into 6 different videos just to give you guys for free. So we definitely want you guys to have it. All right, so what we got? We picked up 5 items to go in the mystery box.
Right.
Jay's going to show you the first item. It might seem a little familiar from our Friday video.
All right, so this item is the Hudson Signature Boot Cut. They're a great pair of jeans. They retail for about, what, $200?
Oh, yeah, almost 2, like $189.
$99.
Some places like $179, but yeah.
We tend to get around $50 to $70 for Hudson on Poshmark, so it's a great item, and it's going to be great profit for you guys.
Now, sometimes out of season, you might have to get a little cut on that. Like, I just sold some Hudsons for like $40. I'm okay with that because it is going on towards spring. So sometimes you have to, you know, reduce your price a tiny bit for a seasonality. Mm-hmm. The next one, kind of threw this on purpose. I didn't want him showing you guys dresses, making you guys wonder. The next one is a Free People dress. It is the Daisy Crochet Skater Dress. Yeah, can't fit into that. No, it's really pretty. Definitely good for the spring. Has these cute little daisies.
What does Free People usually go for?
It really depends. It does depend. You can find comps on this. It's the Daisy Lace Skater Dress, pink. I believe that's the exact name of it, or very close to it. Free People is all different.
Yeah, between $30 and $50 we get usually for Free People, so that's another solid item.
Definitely.
I have another pair.
He found these
These
ones.
are actually Lucky Brand Bermuda shorts. They're good quality shorts. Lucky Brand makes great stuff. When I put Lucky Brand in my closet, I tend to sell it for around $35. Not quite sure what the female Lucky Brand goes for. Do you have any insight on that?
Not so much. You probably get like 25 bucks out of them, but it's perfect for the season.
Perfect for
They're
the
not
season.
like short little booty shorts where they're like really stretchy. They're yeah, we like a little stretch and movement when we move with these tight things. But yeah, they're like a longer Bermuda. They can even cuff them up a little more if they want to. If they were my size, they wouldn't be in the mystery box type of thing. The next one. Now, I say this often. Sometimes it's not about the brand. It's about the style. So this one we almost didn't put in there. We were almost going to send you these 4 things. But this one I want to put in there because it's stylish. It is... I don't think it's a really known brand. I think it is a brand that they might sell at like... what's it, Macy's? One of the department stores. It's called Premise, but I'm gonna stand up for this one.
Stand up and show them the dress. Yeah.
It is a longer, it goes down to the knees. It's like a skater dress, very like flowy jersey with like a scoop back. And it's like a, what's that, hunter green? Yep, so it's a really pretty dress. It's one of those like basic dresses that ladies get that kind of overtook the LBD, where they can like accessorize the crud out of it, have really like awesome shoes, awesome jewelry, so the dress is in the center of the attention.
Yeah, it's a good staple. It's a good staple post. It's going to be a bread and butter item. It's going to sell well.
Very pretty dress.
And get moderately decent profit. So we're going to include that. Last item that we're including in the box is these cut from the cloth white denim.
Skinny jeans.
It's the Diana Skinny. They're a great pair of jeans. Karen, you found these, right?
Yeah. I don't find cut from the cloth too often. Now, they don't sell as high as Hudson's, but they're white, which is
great
going
for the
into
season.
The season. Yep. There's skinny jeans, which is great all around, you know. So this is a really good denim to, you know, for this time of year.
Yeah, perfect for the time of year. Getting ready to go into spring, summer. People are looking for the colors of white and the lighter colors and the pastel. So this is going to go great in your closet. And that's pretty much it. That's what we got for the mystery box. So guys, if you weren't the winner this week and you didn't win a mystery box, don't be afraid. We love giving back to you guys. We love your support. We appreciate every one of you guys for supporting us.
Even the guys.
Even the guys, yes.
If you want guy stuff and you win, let us know.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and do this once every month to 2 months or so that we can give away another mystery box. So if you like this content, we're going to be picking the winners right off of our email list. That's how we do it. We find it's the easiest way to get a winner. We get a great list there. So if you want another chance to win a mystery box, get your email on that email list. Just click the link in the description below. And in another month or so, we're going to go out sourcing. We're going to handpick some items, and we're going to give away another mystery box. So stay tuned for that. We'll give you an update as to when we do that. Just be sure to get on our email list, and we will see you out there.
If you guys enjoyed this really quick video, definitely give us a thumbs up. If you have any kind of insight about what we sold these items, maybe you have sold some of these items, leave it in the description below. Help the mystery box winner out with pricing.
Right. And if you're the winner and you know who you are, be sure to look for those items to get to your doorstep in 5 to 7 days.
Have a good day, everyone.
Have a great one.